Stampin' friends. It is Template Thursday, and I'm so excited to share with you another one of our most favorite templates from our annual catalog. I've got my template box here, so every time I make one, I use our Card Keeper kit box, and I put all my templates inside. So whenever I need a bit of inspiration, I can just flip right through and find my template and start creating. So let's get started. We've got template number 20. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we've done 20 of them already, but template number 20 for you today. And if you've missed any of our previous ones, you can find them all on my blog or on my YouTube at Stampin' Queen Bee. All right, well, let's get started with today's template. Okay, so this is our annual catalog. I can hardly believe that this is almost over. I mean, I feel like we just started with this, but this is our annual catalog that ends April of 2025. And if we flip to page 22, we've got our basic card design page. And I love this because we've got all of these great card sketches and inspiration templates that we can make. And so we've been going through all of those. We've done 1 through 19 so far. And again, if you've missed those, you can find them all on my blog at stampinqueenbee.com under Template Thursday. So we are going to make a template number 20 today. It's a super easy peasy one. And of course, I'm going to feature some bee paper. So let me grab my pieces today so you can grab your screenshot. So of course, I've got my card base here. This is just a basic white card base. We've got our layer number 1, and my paper today comes from the Cute as Can Be. I think it is Cute as Can Be paper. We're gonna need a banner, and so this is the small banner from those Stylish Shapes dies. I'm so excited. Those are one of my must-have, must-have die sets because it's a basic die set that goes with everything. So you're going to want to take your screenshot now if you've been following along. And so our designer series paper is going to be layer number 1 here with 4 by 4. And then we've got our smallest banner that I'm using from Stylish Shapes, but you can use any banner. And you want it to be about 3/4 inch wide. So those are today's measurements. We're going to need some liquid glue, my favorite. So all we're going to do, this one is so simple, is we're just going to add our adhesive to our 4x4 piece here. And we're just going to center this right on our card front. So we have equal top and bottom and equal left and right. And then we're going to need our paper trimmer for today. So we've got our banner here, but we want it to be flush on one side. So I'm just going to bring in my paper trimmer here, and we're just going to line this up, and we're just going to snip off the top there so that we've got a straight edge on top of our banner. And we'll just add our adhesive. You could pop this up on some dimensionals, and we're just going to put this kind of in that top right corner, not all the way, but we're just going to leave a little bit. And that is how simple today's template is. I mean, isn't that a beautiful way to showcase our DSP? Here's our measurements one more time if you want to see the finished piece there. Let me zoom in a bit for you. Okay, so we've got that there. And of course, I always love to share with you a finished card. And so here is the finished card that I did also with the bee print, another one of the prints in that Cute as Can Be. And I used Just For You, which is kind of a skinny, long sentiment. And that one comes from the So Sincere. So it's right here, the So Sincere stamp set, Just For You. I added a little bit of bling, and that is the finished card. So today's template is so super easy. Great way to use scraps with all of our card sketches here, and just a fun way to make some quick cards, right? Okay, so let me flip back and say, oh my gosh, thank you so much for joining me today on Template Thursday. I hope you'll come back, share this video with your friends, like and subscribe, all the things. And like I said, if you missed any of our previous templates, you can find them all on my blog at stampinqueenbee.com or on my YouTube playlist for Template Thursday. And I just got my hands on the latest new annual catalog for 2025, and guess what? They put templates in there again. So we can continue our Template Thursdays into this new next new catalog, right? And continue making those inspiration ideas for our card box that has all of our templates in there. So thanks so much for joining me for Template Thursday, and I will see you guys next week. We've got 2 more in our annual catalog, and I can't hardly wait to show those to you. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.